Horses out for the 2016 Pilgrim third leg Triple Crown Stakes race. Dewey Boulevard gets away immediately. In the middle portion, Radioactive, Underwood, and Homon Highland is racing in last by about 4 to 5 lengths of the pace. Meanwhile, Dewey Boulevard, Radioactive is running by Drella. A length and a half back in third is Underwood, and Homon Highland still racing in last. Down the stretch for the first time, we have Dewey Boulevard. The second leg winner of the Triple Crown goes on by about 2 lengths. Radioactive in second. That's the first leg of the Triple Crown winner. Underwood is racing in third, and Homon Island passing by the judges' stand for the first time. We have Dewey Boulevard as a winner by about 2 lengths. Radioactive now trying to get closer in second. Underwood still in third, and Homon Highland still racing in last. Into the turn they gallop, but it's still Dewey Boulevard by about a length and a half. Here comes Radioactive now trying to get closer in second. Underwood remains in third, and Homon Island with Dewey Boulevard still showing the way by about 2 lengths. Here comes Radioactive. Jackie John Alvin Guse giving a little shake, then followed by Underwood and Homon Island. And it's still Dewey Boulevard traveling nice and easy. And in second is Radioactive. Underwood remains in third, and Homon Island with Dewey Boulevard still the leader. Radioactive. Here comes Underwood. Now trying to get closer down on the inside. Dewey Boulevard. Underwood now threatening danger on the outside. As they come to the last of the day, Dewey Boulevard, Underwood is running by the Radioactive. Dewey Boulevard, running by the is Underwood. Underwood lifting on, moves up by about 3 lengths. And the finish line, third leg belongs to Underwood. Then comes Dewey Boulevard, Radioactive. Homon Island comes in last.
Hey, another upset. Ang numero 1 Underwood na palahi din po ito ni Hermie Isguera na ngayon pag-aari ng Stony Road Horse na train ni David de la Cruz. Nakita niyo naman po yung dala doon, ano? Pinipilit po yung isunod ni J.A. Guse si Radioactive, pero nag-away po sila na nag-away. Halos nawala yung lakas ng pag-aaway nila. Kaya nakalatag ng airi si Dewey Boulevard. Kaso talagang mahaba ang karera. 2,000 meters. And yung ginawang at least mga 2 quarters